Welcome and thank you for tuning into this tutorial video on using the Public Parcel Viewer, sharing and printing a map. The Public Parcel Viewer was prepared and is maintained by the ongoing partnership between the Washington County Council of Governments and the University of Maine at Machias-GIS Laboratory and Service Center. If you are having difficulty locating the Public Parcel Viewer on the website, please check out the introductory video accessing online mapping resources. Any additional questions related to this video or other GIS resources, please don't hesitate to contact us here at the University of Maine at Machias-GIS Laboratory and Service Center. My name is Amy, and today I'll walk you through how to share and print a map of a public parcel you've located on the viewer. For the purpose of this exercise, I'm using the Public Parcel Viewer for the town of East Machias. For convenience, I've already navigated to the viewer. So first, let me quickly create the map view that I want to print. Using the Find tool, I'll search for a parcel on Palmer Landing Road, East Machias. So I'll just type in Palmer, and then I'm going to scroll through the results for 192 Palmer Landing Road. Click on that option, and the map will zoom to the selected parcel. I'll click the magnifying glass again to hide those search options. And now I'll switch the base map to change the background to aerial photos. So I'll click on that switch base map icon and then click the thumbnail for imagery. And now I can more clearly see the natural features of the property. I'll click the switch base map icon again to click out of that, and I might zoom out just a little bit. And so this is what I want to print. It looks great. And so now I'm ready to make a map. The print tool is the best method for sharing and printing a map of a parcel. It's a printer icon that is to the right of the question mark icon at the top of the page. If I click on the icon, a window will appear, the option of choosing from a landscape page orientation or the portrait orientation. And I'm going to switch it to the portrait page orientation. And then I'm going to click on the text box with the gray word title and enter the title, in this case, Map 12, Lot 20. And then I'm going to click on the author text box, enter my name, and then I'm going to click the printer icon at the bottom of this window here. This tool in effect creates a map file that can be saved as a PDF, shared as a URL, or printed. So it will take a moment to process, and when it finally does process, a white page icon will appear at the top menu bar of the viewer screen when the map is ready. And you can see that right here. And if I click on that icon, a new page appears and you'll see the map of the particular parcel that you are looking at. So to print the map, you can sweep your mouse cursor down to the right here at the bottom right of the browser page, and a menu of options will appear. At the far right, you can click on that printer icon to produce a hard copy of the map. Or if you look, there's a floppy disk and right next to that printer icon, and so that icon allows you to save the map to your computer as a PDF. And once you've saved the file, you can then attach the file to an email to share with friends and colleagues. If you don't want to save the file to your computer, you can share the map using the web URL, and that's easy. You can highlight and copy that web address that you see on the page, and then paste that address to an email or other social media communication to direct your friends to the stored online file. To return to the Public Parcel Viewer, just click back on that original tab at the top of the browser window, and then you're back to the Public Parcel Viewer. If you have any additional questions related to the topic or the GIS resources in this video, please don't hesitate to contact us here at the University of Maine at Machias. Thank you for watching.